Hey everyone, Temples in here. Today I'm going to show you the Roblox escape the construction site Obby with DESC. Okay, so we're going to play and we're going to wait the game. Okay, I'm going to show you my Facebook account. Please guys, friend me, add friend. I want to be your friend, and just like that. And this is the account of Trade Sam. Oh, there's the Roblox. Okay, guys. Today, I'm playing back. Sorry, guys, my cousin is Filipino. I'm the America. My cousin is vacation here. Yeah.
You motherfucker!
Okay, guys, this is the levels stage 2. Guys, we're going to hammer this one, and this one. Okay, we have the stage 2 and we next stage 3. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, I'm half Filipino, but my dad TTM is no way to. Just watch it, guys. What? This is the ladder. Yeah, just like that. Guys, please donate me Robux. I don't have Robux because this is my first video with. Wait, guys, my computer's lagging. Guys, type me on Roblox, Dr. Greenboy 107 and Ninja Samurai Boy 107 with big letter on the first letter. Guys, subscribe to Fat Pops because he's a fat boy and I don't know. Okay, we are the construction. Yeah. I died, guys.
You want Ninja Samurai?
Guys, my cousin is to. I don't know. I just to have. Okay, we're at the stage 7. Here. Okay, we're just jumping. And this is, I don't know, what is this, guys? Is this a butt or chocolate butt? I don't know. Oh, this is the broke family. This is the family. Have fun. Okay.
Hindi maka-join sa'yo.
Okay.
Well, girl!
Okay. Wait, that's my cousin. Sorry, guys. I will. Oh, I died. What the fuck? Fuck. Okay, I'm going to stage 8. Oh, I died again. Guys, I know I have a bad words. So, subscribe on me on YouTube. Don't forget, Temples DGB 107. Or type on YouTube Aaron Kanaway. Right? Guys, please, on Roblox, video this. I first time this because my father and my mother he gave me this headphones and this record mic. Okay? So guys, I know my video is too sucky, but oh, that's my cousin Filipino. Okay, guys. This is what he said. Watch out for those giant sauce. Okay, I think it's sauce or sauce. Okay, this is the what? I died.
I can't
Yes. Oh, there's a worker again. These mud hills are very sticky. Okay? Wow, it's OBC. Right, guys? Okay, we're going now. It's too weird. I'm just walking. I think this is a poop. Okay. After this game, I will make a one video again from my cousin, right? I'm going to join my cousin. Right? Just type my name on Roblox, Ninja Samurai Boy 107. Right, guys? I know my video is gonna... Okay, guys. I will doing... Okay. We're going up. Okay, we are in stage 13 or 12. 13. We are 13. Stage 13. Concert 13. Okay. What the? I almost fell that! But I died. Say something. Okay. Sorry, guys. My video is 6 minutes for 15 minutes. Okay, we're going to be careful. Oh, glitch. Glitch. Oh, I fell again. I'm going to die. I love cats. And don't forget to subscribe Dante DM, Dennis, Alex, and of course my cousin. Right, guys? So, we're going back. Oh, no, I died again. This is too hard. Little bit. I've just excite my video. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh. Okay. Don't touch the white ink on this giant blue sprint. You are ugly than me. Oh, I died. Ink. Yes, I forgot it's ink. Oh, I forgot again. Okay. Yes, we made it. Oh, I died. After the game.
Yes or no? None? You see.
After the video. Sorry guys, that's my cousin. I just want to... Did you love your cousins? No? Yes. Because... Okay, we're back again.
Pero pwede ka lumakad lang dyan.
I fell, guys.
Kaya nasa ng music or music. Meron?
Guys, I'm just... Wait, guys.
Take off your headphones. Yes or no?
No.
No
After
music? No music?
Yes.
May music? Ha? Ano? Yung kahit ano? Parang for example, ito. Pwede ba to? Wala o meron? Wala.
Okay, guys, sorry. My cousin was talking with me. Okay, we're going back on my video. Okay? Oh! Almost. I'm almost. Okay? This. And you need to... Oh, my microphone haven't fell out. Okay. Jump on this. This. We're gonna make it, guys. This. Yes, we'll make it. This. Wow, double glitch of the guy. Okay, we'll make it, guys. Okay. Whoa, there's a UFO. Yes, we made it, guys. Guys, please, thank you for watching. Please subscribe on me on YouTube. And see Temple's DGB 107 in here. I'm going to say goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube. DGB, goodbye again.